video we have seen lesson number 14, that was when the earth shook. Now in this lesson we have studied that how the earthquake takes place, what are the problems and how the help arise, and we have also seen what are the necessary precautions to be taken when the earthquake comes. Okay, so in this lesson we have covered all the things. So now today we are going to see class 15 years chapter number 15, blow hot and blow cold. So now can you tell me which season is going on today or which season is going on now? Yes, winter season, correct? So it is, how does outside the temperature is very hot, right? No, then cold. Yes, very good. So the temperature is very cold and we cover ourselves with warm clothes. Yes or no? We cover ourselves with the warm clothes. In the same way, today we are going to see what is that blow hot and blow cold. If you feel very cold, what you do, children? You rub your hands, you blow the air from your mouth, and you just what we can say, shh, you do. Yes or no? Why? Because you're blowing some air, you are blowing your breath outside, and that breath is how? That breath is according to your temperature. Like if it is very hot, then the breath comes out little bit less hot, then that means it is little bit colder. Okay, and if it is colder, the breath, what we can say, the air which is coming out, that is little bit warm. Okay, so in this way today we are going to see blow hot, blow cold. So we are going to see both the things, and very interesting lesson it is. Open page number 139. Lesson number 15, blow hot, blow cold. So you can keep your finger there as I am reading, and you can also read along with me. Okay. Now, there was a woodcutter. Every day in the morning, he used to go to the forest to cut the wood. So there was a woodcutter and there was a jungle, and in the jungle there was a woodcutter, and he used to every morning he used to go to the forest to cut the wood. Now in the evening, he would sell the wood in the city, and whatever wood he used to cut, whatever wood he used to get from the forest, he used to bring and sell in the evening in the city. One day he went deep into the forest, and one day what happened? He went deep into the forest, मतलब बहुत अंदर तक चला गया था, and it was very cold winter. Like how we are also having some days we are having very cold climate, and some days it is okay, normal, है ना, normal cold is there. So here also, when the woodcutter, when he went deep into the forest, he saw that the temperature was very cold, and it was cold winter. His fingers were becoming numb every now and then. The woodcutter would put down his axe and bring his hands close to his mouth. And what had happened? Now even if we go outside somewhere or in the morning, not during this period, but when regular normal period was there, not this coronavirus was there, and during the normal period, what we can say, normal days, when our school was regular, that time in the winter also we had school, and in the early morning we used to come, we used to have the assemblies. Yes, you know, you have the assemblies in the morning on the ground there, and if it is very cold, you start shivering. Yes or no? आपके हाथ कांपते हैं, and you start feeling the cold, and your fingers also become numb. Numb मतलब क्या? Freeze होना, ठंडी से अकड़ जाना, है ना? So in the same way, the woodcutter's fingers they also started numbing. That means what? Fingers जो numb मतलब क्या? अकड़ जाना, ठंडी से अकड़ जाना, और कुछ sensation नहीं होना. Okay, it become like this, and then what we do? We start rubbing our fingers. We blow the air in this way. So here also the woodcutter, he did the same thing. Every now and then the woodcutter used to put down his axe. He was having the axe to cut the wood, and he used to put down his axe and bring his hands close to his mouth like this, and used to blow the air. Then he would blow hard on them to warm them, and he used to blow in this way. He used to blow hard to warm the fingers. While he was cutting wood, Mian Balestier was watching him from a corner. See in the picture you can see there was a stout man, and his name was what? Mian Balestier. So he was watching him from the corner. Why he was watching that woodcutter? What is he doing? Why is he blowing his fingers like that? So he was watching, and Mian Balestier saw that the woodcutter kept blowing his hands like this, and he began to wonder what all that was about. And he began to wonder, what is he doing? क्या कर रहा है? Why is he doing like that? He started thinking that. Then what happened? But he could not understand it. Then he got up thinking that he would go and ask the woodcutter will not like being asked. And what happened? He kept on observing the woodcutter. He saw that the woodcutter is blowing every now and then. What is he doing? Why is he doing like that? So he was thinking and he wanted to go and ask to the woodcutter. But he was not having that. He was getting scared also that he might not like asking. Okay, the woodcutter को गुस्सा आ जाएगा. वो मुझे कहेगा कि क्यों आप मुझे आके पूछा ऐसे. So he was scared that the woodcutter might not like if I go and ask him that what are you doing. So what he did, he walked a little and again he came back. Then finally what he did, Mian Palishte could not help himself. He went hopping to the woodcutter and said, "Hello brother, if you don't mind, can I ask you something?" And finally what he did, he saw that he is doing again and again and he felt that now I should go and ask. And what he did, he went hopping to that woodcutter and he asked, "Brother, if you don't mind, can I ask you something?" He said. Seeing this tiny person, the woodcutter was amazed and amused, and he was very short. Mian Palishte, he was very short, and woodcutter when he saw, he was shocked and surprised that how come he is so short, and he got so amused, he got so shocked that he was so tiny person. Mian Palishte. But he hid his smile and said, of course, ask what you want." And what happened? He did not smile. अब हमको भी कोई अगर रोड पे हमारे से छोटा दिखे, if we see in the circus also, if we see the joker, he is very short, and we start laughing at him. Yes, you know how short he is. So woodcutter also, he wanted to smile, but he controlled his smile. He was hiding his smile. He hid his smile, and what happened? Of course, ask what you want. So he said, okay, you want to ask now? You can ask me, he said. All I want to ask is, why do you blow from your mouth onto your hands? So what that Mian Palishte, the tiny person, what he asked, that why do you blow on your hands? Why do you blow air on your hands? And said the Mian Palishte, and he said like that. So children, this story, okay, this is the story written by Zakir Hussain. Okay, who was Zakir Hussain? He was a former president of India. He has written this story. So you can see how interesting this story is. Okay, so turn the next page number 140. The woodcutter replied that it is too cold. My hands are frozen. So I blow on them to warm them up a little. Then when they get cold again, I warm them again by blowing. So what the woodcutter said, that it is very cold. Because of the cold, my hands are frozen. They are freezed and they are becoming numb. मतलब sensation नहीं हो रहा है. That's why when it becomes very frozen and cold, what I do, I blow hard and then they become warm. And again, when they become cold, again I do the same thing. In this way, he told the tiny person, that is Mian Palishte. Then Mian Palishte nodded. अच्छा, oh, ऐसा है क्या? So he started saying that, oh, so that it is. Okay. So and with that he moved off, but he stayed nearby and kept a close watch on him. Okay, he said, and he got the answer. So what he did, he moved back to his place and he was hiding and watching. He was having a close watch on the woodcutter, that why is he doing like that? No, I have to find out again why is he doing, the real reason I want to find out. So what he did, again he was hiding and he was observing the woodcutter. Soon it was afternoon. The woodcutter began to think of lunch. He picked up 2 stones and made a chulha. And it was afternoon. And then what happened? Woodcutter was hungry. After working for a while, he got hungry, and so what he did, he took 2 stones and made a chulha. Now even we also sometimes, if we go in the village or in some small places, towns, we see that the chulhas are made. Very rarely we find in the cities, but in the villages the chulhas are there. They keep the stones and then inside that they put the what we can say, the sticks, the wood, what is there, wood or the upiyas, what we have seen. So they put that and they lit the chulha and they cook on that. So here the woodcutter, he had nothing. So what he did, he picked up 2 stones and made a chulha of that. He lit a fire and put a small handi. Handi means what? Pot. जो pot होती है आजकल हम देखते हैं रोड पे भी, हमारे हाईवे पे भी दिखते हैं. They are selling the red color वाले pots होते हैं. मिट्टी के हंडी जो है बनाए हुए. Even the pan, चपाती का तवा जो है वो भी मिट्टी का ही आ रहा है. Yes or no? In the same way here, the woodcutter, he was having the handi, that is the pot filled with potatoes to boil. So putting in the handi, what were the potatoes to boil. Because he was very hungry, he wanted to eat that. The wood was damp, so the woodcutter bent down and blew on the fire to help it to burn. And what happened? The wood was damp. Damp means what? डैम्प मीन्स व्हाट? जो गीली लकड़ी होती है ना, सूखी हुई नहीं, गीली लकड़ी जो अभी ताजा कट किया होता है. So in that way he was having the damp wood. So the woodcutter bent down. He bent down and blew on the fire to help it to burn. और क्या किया? अगर चूल्हा नहीं लग रहा है तो what we do? We blow the air, है ना? जल्दी से आग पकड़ने के लिए हम क्या, आँच पकड़ने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? फूंक मारते हैं इसे. In the same way, again the woodcutter he bent down and he blew the air to the fire to help it to burn. So Balishtiya was watching him, and Balishtiya he was watching from the corner that he said to himself, there he goes again, blowing from his mouth. Does fire come out of his mouth? And again he saw that again this man is blowing. Now what is the reason of blowing? अब वापस से ये क्यों फूंक रहा है? और इसके मुंह में से कुछ आग निकल रहा है क्या? अरे ऐसे क्यों हो गया? So in this way he is talking to himself. Okay. Does the fire come out of his mouth? He is imagining that. The woodcutter was feeling very hungry. He took out the potato from the handi and वो handi पे वो उबल रहे थे, potatoes उबल रहे थे. He was boiling that, and after a while what he does? He was feeling very hungry. So what he does? He removes the potatoes. And how it was? The potatoes were very hot because it was from the boiling water. So he took out the potato from the handi. He tried to eat it, but the potato was too hot. And again what he did? Yes, again he again began to blow on it. Foo, foo. And what we did? अपने घर पे भी हम कुछ अगर उबाल रहे हैं, for example egg. We boil the egg, okay, or we boil the vegetables. We boil the potatoes also. When mummy takes out that, she will put in the cold water to peel off the skin of that. Yes or no? So in the same way he was doing. And if it is very hot, what we do? Even we blow the air from our mouth, है ना, ठंडा कर देते हैं. In the same way, this man woodcutter, he also did the same thing. And again the Mian Balishtiya, he observed that this man is again blowing. What is wrong with him? What is he doing actually? So he began to blow on it. Foo, foo. Arey, said Balishtiya to himself. Again he said, Arey, what is he doing like this? He is blowing again. Now what? Is he going to burn the potato? After blowing a few more foo-foos on it, the woodcutter put it in his mouth and began to eat it. And the potatoes were very hot. So what he did? He hold it and he started blowing on it. Foo-foo करके वो फूंक रहा था. And Mian Balishtiya, he saw that. Arey, what is he doing again? What is wrong with me? Why is he going to burn the potatoes? Now he burned the handi, the wood, and now is he going to burn the potatoes by blowing the air in it? So in this way he was thinking, and after a while he ate the potatoes. Now Mian was very surprised. He just could not stop himself, and off he went hopping to the woodcutter. And he saw that so many times he is blowing the air. What is he doing? So again what he wanted to ask the question. So he came down and went on hopping to the woodcutter. Now Mian was very surprised. He went to the woodcutter and he asked, "Hello brother," he said, "if you don't mind, can I ask you a question again?" And again he came to the woodcutter and he said, "Hello brother, can I ask you something again? Can I ask you a question again?" The woodcutter replied, "Not at all." Then again he said, "Ask whatever you want." Mian Balishtiya said, "This morning you told me that you blew on your hands to warm them up. You told me in the morning that you blew on your hands because they were very cold, and to make them warm you were blowing. You told me that. But now you are blowing on this potato which is already so hot. Why do you want to make it hotter?" So what he is telling, that already the potatoes are very hot. So he was thinking that why is he blowing again? Because he is having warm air in his mouth, or warm breath, or warm hot air from his mouth. So the hands had become warm. The fire was burned. That means the fire took place because of his air from the mouth, and because he blew on the wood, the fire was lit. And then again he had to put the potatoes. He took the potatoes and again he blew. Then why you want to put the fire on the potato? He was asking. So he said that the potato was already hot. Then again why you wanted to make it hotter by blowing? So he was thinking that when he was blowing, the potato was getting hotter and hotter. on it to cool it down. So he says that this potato is already hot, brother. Now I am blowing to cool the potato. ठंडा करने के लिए मैं इसको फूंक रहा हूँ. He said. When he heard this, Mian Balishti's face became white and he was shocked. What is this? Sometimes hot, sometimes cold. What is wrong with you? So his face became white because he had a question mark on that. He began to tremble with fear and started to back away. So what he did, he began to tremble with fear. means वो डर गया. अरे what is this? ये तो अजब गजब इंसान लग रहा है मुझे. Actually he was tiny person, he was funny person, but woodcutter was a normal human being. Okay, even we have, when it is cold we blow our head and our fingers and hands become warm. So in this way, when the hot things are there, हम चाय भी अगर कॉफी पीते हैं तो हम फूंक के पीते हैं. क्यों? हम ठंडा करते हैं. Sometimes our air is hot according to the temperature. Sometimes the air is cold due to the temperature. According to the temperature outside, our body also has same kind of temperature. Like means if it is very hot, the body temperature will be little bit less hotter than the temperature outside. So in this way, according to the temperature, our body has the inner temperature. Okay, so here the woodcutter, and when the Mian Balishti was feared, means he got scared and he trembled. He went back to his place because he thought that this man is something different. Okay, the woodcutter was a good man. He said, "What's wrong, Mian? Are you trembling because of the cold?" And the woodcutter he also was asking the Mian Balishti that why are you trembling? Why are you feeling cold? Why are you shaking? Like means you're feeling cold or you're trembling. So he asked, "What's wrong with you, Mian?" But Mian Balishti kept going backwards. But when he was a safe distance away, he said to himself, and what happened? He was scared of woodcutter. He said that कुछ तो अजीब इंसान है ये, so I will run away from here. So he went back slowly like this at a distance, and where he felt safe. Now he could not come to catch me. Where he was at a safe distance, that time he said to himself, "What kind of a creature is this?" And he was saying that, "अरे ये कैसा अजीब इंसान है?" And in this way he was saying to himself, "Surely he must be a ghost or a jinn." And he said that Mian Balishti, he was saying that this man must be something ghost. Ghost मतलब क्या? भूत टाइप होगा. Okay, and या तो फिर jinn. Jinn मतलब क्या? You know that Alibaba's lamp. Yes or no? What we can say? जो लैम्प होता है उसमें से जो जीन बाहर आता है ब्लू कलर का. You must have seen on the TV serial also. Yes or no? Alibaba's or these things lamp. So in that way, there's a gene. Okay, so he thought that is this a gene or a ghost? So blow hot, blow cold with the same rhythm. How it is just not possible. So he's telling he might be a ghost or a gene because sometimes it is hot, blow cold. What is this? ये साधारण इंसान तो नहीं कर सकता है, नॉर्मल इंसान तो नहीं कर सकता है. He must be something there. He must be a ghost or a gene. How it is possible to blow hot and blow cold both the time, same time? So he's getting that fear in his mind. That's right. There are some things which just cannot be, but they are. So he's telling himself. अकेले ही बड़बड़ करते जा रहा है वो कि हाँ कुछ दुनिया में कुछ चीज हो गई जैसे कि नहीं क्या. That's right. There are some things which cannot be. कुछ चीज जो नहीं होनी चाहिए वो भी है. Okay, that's right. And he starts murmuring and he walks away from him. So this is the short story written by Zakir Hussain. Dr. Zakir Hussain, he has written the story The President. He always used to write the stories for children. Okay. So you can imagine it could be described an imaginary character. See, this Mian Balishti, he was an imaginary character. Okay, he was an imaginary character shown in this story. You can see how funny he was, small, tiny person. So next we are going to see Mian Balishti was confused when he saw the woodcutter blowing on his cold hands to make them warm and on the hot potatoes to cool them. Have you warmed your hands in winter by blowing on them when they are cold? How does it feel? Yes, you must have blown your hands when it is cold. How do you feel? Yes, you are going to answer. Blow hard from your mouth onto your hands. Blow hard from your mouth onto your hands. How did you find the air from your mouth as compared to the air around? Was it hotter or cooler? Now you have to take your hand and just blow on your hand. How is the air? The बाहर सा फर्क होता है. It is sometimes it is hotter or it is cooler. Okay. Now put your hands at some distance from your mouth and blow again. Does the air from your mouth feel warm? And you have to take it closer and then you have to keep it little bit far. Okay, and then again you are going to do the same thing and observe the things. Now think and tell. Can you think of any other way in which you use the warmth from your breath? Now can you think in other way which you use the warmth from your breath? Suppose if आपके आँख में कुछ तो गया and what your mummy does, she'll take a cotton cloth and she will blow on that. गर्म होता है और अपने आँख पे रखने के लिए बोलते हैं. Yes or no? Have you done this? Yes, you must have tried this, है ना? If not, you can try this also. Take a cotton cloth or take any cloth and just इसको ऐसे round में ball जैसे बनाना है. Blow on that and just put on your eyes when you feel that something has gone into your eyes. तब आपको ये करना है. Okay. Then fold a piece of cloth 3-4 times. Now bring it close to your mouth and blow hard on it. Did the cloth become warm? Yes, just now I told you. If yes, you have to answer, children. Okay. Balishti saw that the woodcutter was trying to cool the hot potatoes by blowing on them. What would have happened if he had eaten the potatoes without cooling them? What will happen? Suppose if you are eating something and आप उसको फूंकते नहीं हैं, आप ठंडा नहीं करते, ऐसे ही खाते. What happens? Your tongue will start burning, है ना? चाय भी अगर हम ठंडी नहीं की, गलती से हम ऐसे ही पी लिए, तो what happens? Your tongue starts burning, and when you eat some other food, you will feel that your tongue has burned because of the tea. In the same way, if the woodcutter would have not blown the cool air from his mouth, अगर वो ठंडा नहीं किया होता, तो what would have happened? His tongue would have burned. Have you ever burnt your tongue when you ate or drank something that was too hot? Yes. So if yes, you have to write that. Okay, children? Yes. How do you cool some food when it is too hot? If you were to cool these 3 hot things, dal, roti, rice, in which ways would you do? Now, if you want to cool dal, rice, roti, आपको ठंडा करना है, तो how you will do that? You will keep that in an open container. बड़े वाले container में fan के नीचे हम रख देते हैं, and then the things will become cooler. Yes or no? Yes. Then next picture one they have given. Minnie tried to cool her tea by blowing on it. Which do you think will be hotter, Minnie's tea or the air she blew from her mouth? Yes, Minnie's tea will be hotter than her mouth's air. Sonu was feeling very cold. He kept blowing onto his hands. Now think on and write which will be cooler, Sonu's hands or his breath. Sonu's hands are cooler or his breath is cooler? His hands are cooler than his breath. For what other things do you blow air from your mouth? For what other things? आप कौन सी चीज के लिए और आपके मुंह से एयर बाहर छोड़ते हैं या तो हवा बाहर निकालते हैं? Make a paper whistle. Now take a piece of paper 12 cm long. This is the activity. You can do it, children. You can do the activity at home. You can make a whistle using a paper. On page number 143, it is given. The instruction is given how to make a whistle. So in the whistle also what we do? We blow the air. हम balloon में air भरते हैं. और ऐसी कौन सी चीज है in which we blow the air from our mouth? Blow in different ways. Now in different ways we are blowing. Okay, what are that? We'll see. Make whistles of things given below. Write in sequence from the loudest to the softest. Now, wrapper of a toffee, a leaf, balloon, the cap of a pen, any other thing. Now, what you have to do? Write in sequence from loudest to softest. बड़ी वाली आवाज से लेके छोटी वाली आवाज से आपको adjust करना है. Okay, you have to arrange in a sequence way. So, what is that? First is a pen, the cap of a pen. Now, in the class also, when teacher is not there in the class, what you do? You start doing mischievous things. You take the cap of the pen. You take out the pen and your cap of the pen and you start keeping your hand, start whistling and the loud voice comes in the class. And if suppose teacher hears, then she will come and she will give you good, है ना? ऐसे हुआ होगा, आपने किया होगा ऐसे. So in this way, बड़े वाले आवाज से छोटी वाली आवाज तक आपको sequence wise लिखना है. Okay, you can just put the number also in front of that. Now for example, see here. First one is wrapper of a toffee. अगर चॉकलेट लिया है उसको अगर हम ऐसे फोल्ड करेंगे and if you blow on that or if you hold and blow on that, the voice will come. ऐसा ना, ऐसे आवाज आता है. आप करके देखना है. You have to try this. A leaf, a balloon, a cap of a pen, and any other thing. Now for example, first one is cap of a pen. Cap of a pen. heard on the road. If you want to call someone, what they do? They whistle with the fingers also. Yes or no? Now you also might be doing. You might be knowing also how to whistle. I don't know that. I never do that. Okay. So you can do that with your fingers. You can blow. So you have to put there number 2. Okay, like this. And number 3. Then number 4. And then number 5. In this way, you are going to write the numbers, children. Okay, you have to find out. Now, you might be thinking that how are the air which is there from our mouth, how it comes sometimes hot, sometimes cold? It is because of the temperature around you, the temperature outside your house. Okay, the जो temperature है उससे कम या ज़्यादा हमारा कम या ज़्यादा ऐसे हमारे air में हमको feel होता है. Okay. Next, turn the page. Have you seen people playing different musical instruments like flute, dholak, bean, guitar, mridang, etc.? Can you recognize the sounds with your eyes closed? Find out more about these musical instruments and collect their pictures. Now, one more activity, children. What you have to do is make a small activity book if you want. It will be useful for you later also to get the knowledge. Okay, just as a hobby, stick the pictures in that and you will show to me. Okay, you can send the photographs. So what you have to do now, हम हवा हमारे जो माउथ से हम जो एयर ब्रीथ करते हैं बाहर जो छोड़ते हैं तो उससे हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. और now see there are some instruments which we play by our mouth. Yes or no? That means the flute is there, bean is there, dholak is there, guitar is there. These all instruments. Now dholak we don't blow with our mouth and bang it. We use with that, but we can hear the sound. Okay. So in this way you have to collect the instruments, musical instruments pictures, and you have to paste it, children. Okay. Yes, I know you are going to do all these activities. Yes or no? Yes. Then next is you can name some things which produce melodious or pleasing sounds when we blow into them. So you have to write the names like flute, shehnai, banjo. These all things are there, so you can write that. Now, do and discuss. Have you seen someone blowing on their spectacles to wipe them clean? How does the air from the mouth help in cleaning the spectacles? आपने देखा होगा अगर आपको चश्मा है तो आप भी फूंकते हैं और उसमें से what we can say smoke आ जाता है ना, blur हो जाता है, and then we wipe it and it becomes clean. So have you seen, and how does the air pick up from our mouth help us to clean that? So that you are going to think and write. Take a glass, bring it near your mouth and blow hard. Do this 2 or 3 times. Does the glass look hazy? And take a glass. एक glass लेना है. Glass मतलब क्या? कांच लेना है और फूंकना है और उसके अंदर फूंकना है. And see that the hazy मतलब धुराला लगता है ऐसे ना, smoky दिखता है. So why it is? So you have to write that. Does the glass look hazy? Yes. सब ऐसे धुरा दिखता है. Then we wipe it with the cloth. Can you make a mirror hazy in the same way? Can you tell by touching the mirror what made it hazy? Is the air you blew from your mouth dry or wet? So in this way you have to find out, you have to do the experiment and you have to observe and write. Now in the mirror also when you are taking bath, if there is mirror in your bathroom, okay, गर्म पानी है तो ठंडी में क्या होता है, बहुत गर्म पानी यूज करते हैं, very hot the water is, and when we take a bath, after we see in the mirror we see that all the mirror is covered with the vapor, water vapor, and that is the haziness comes on that. Yes or no? The haziness comes on that. That means the mirror is covered fully white, smoke हो जाता है, फिर हम उसको पोंछ देते हैं. Correct? You must have done this, or you must have drawn something in that. Even on the what we can say, the car's window is there. There also you must have seen that you draw something on that when it is freeze from outside. Yes or no? You must have done all this, children. So you have to observe and write the things. Now put your hand on your chest. When you breathe in, does your chest come out or goes in? Now you have to keep your hand on your chest and you have to breathe and you have to see. When you breathe, your chest will go inside or it will come outside. That you are going to observe. Measure your chest. Take a deep breath in and ask your friend to measure your chest with a thread and measurement you have to write. Now when you are breathing, and then you have to take a measurement tape and you have to check. And when you leave the air outside, and that time you have to check. That means when you take in, it goes inside. That is the difference measurement. And when you leave out, that comes to the normal. That is the measurement comes different. So in this way, the measurement different. differs. Now breathe out. Again ask your friend to measure your chest measurement. So in this way you have to take the help of your friend and you have to write the measurements. Was there any difference in two measurements of your chest? If yes, you have to write. How many breaths in 1 minute? Now you have to count your breath in 1 minute. So put your finger under your nose in this way. Can you feel any air when you breathe out from your nose? Now if you are breathing out, can you feel the air coming out? Yes. Count how many times in 1 minute do you breathe in and out. Now you have to set the time on your watch, that is your clock or your this thing. Here you can see in the watch clock at your house, and you have to observe that in 1 minute how many times you breathe in and out. You have to count and write. Okay children, you have to do this activity. Jump 30 times. Did you feel breathless? And when you run or you jump continue 30 times. So what happens? हम ऐसे दम लगता है बराबर. So that is breathless. Okay, you feel breathless. Now again count how many times in 1 minute you can breathe in and out. So after jumping you have to count how many times you are breathing. Your breathing becomes faster than the normal position. What was the difference in your count before and after jumping? Before it was normal, it was okay, slowly 1 2 like this. But once you jump and stop, that time it is the number might increase, because of the fast heartbeats. Yes, so you have to observe that children and you have to write there. Next, read this clock inside you and you can find out what is that activity. So in this way we have completed. You can do the activities on the next page given there 146. Read and you can write. You have to write the question answers. Have you understood this lesson children? Yes, I know it is very interesting. Again you are going to read and you are going to find the difficulties. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed